Employment news, MCC, Model Career Center Employment Exchange Nongpoh Recruitment 2024. The Model Career Center Shillong Employment Exchange Shillong, in collaboration with Employment Exchange Nongpoh, is organizing a placement drive on various opportunities available on 22nd of February 2024 in the Employment Exchange Nongpoh office premises. Post name, vocational trainers, job location, Riboi district, age limit 18 to 37 years as on 1st January 2024, salary 20,000 per month, essential qualification BE BTech diploma in electrical or electronics or graduation or post-graduation in agriculture or horticulture or graduation post-graduation diploma in cosmetology, beauty therapy or beauty culture. Experienced candidates will be preferred, however, smart freshers are encouraged to apply. How to apply? Interested and eligible candidates may attend the counseling cum placement drive along with biodata, a copy of all educational and experience certificate, recent passport photograph with original documents on the respective date. The details of placement drive are as follows: date of interview 22nd February 2024, reporting time 10 to 11 a.m. Registration will be closed 11 a.m. sharp. Mbma Internship Program 2024 notification. The Meghalaya Basin Management Agency (Mbma) invites online application for the eligible candidates for the internship program for farm manager for Acrobis Society. The application deadline is 24th February 2024. Post name Mbma Internship Program for Farm Manager for Acrobis Cooperative Societies. Number of posts multiple. Course duration 6 months. Age limit 18 to 35 years. Salary. The candidate will be awarded a stipend of Rs 15,000 for bachelor degree and 18,000 for master degree holder per month. Essential qualification: graduate or postgraduate in agriculture, agrobusiness, horticulture, or other related science. Other requirements: Number one, the candidate should be a resident of Meghalaya. Number two, the candidate should be able to work effectively in a team, adapt a new environment, and demonstrate initiatives and creativity. Number three, fluence in MS Excel, MS Words, and MS PowerPoint is required. How to apply? Candidates must apply online via Google Form as per the link provided, and no other modes of application will be accepted. Candidates must be completed their application on or before 25th February 2024. All the essential documents are to be uploaded in the same application link provided. Thank you.